Hi, it's MOTOROLA, and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on Motorola Edge 70 Pro. Firstly, check your cable and charger for any damage and the compatibility with your phone. Then, flip the phone upside down, and right here on the bottom, you can see the charging port. Clean it with a non-metallic tools like compressed air, wooden sticks or Q-tips. Remember, don't use any metallic tools because you may damage the charging port. Then you can test with another fast charger or an outlet and go into the settings, type in update, system, update status, check for updates. It is checking up and everything looks good. If you have any updates, then download it right here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.